runaway. It's like a big old logger, or I guess a little logger.
Sorry, neighbors.
All right. Welcome back, everybody. Kyle here. This is our steel pipe fencing installation video. These guys knocked it out of the park in 2 days. Painted the fence steel pipe black, and they also put up the 2x4-inch field fencing all around. It was almost 300 linear feet, and I thought they did a great job, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, it's a busy morning here at the home with the Buffingtons. We got the first post in. Steel is all laying around. The builders are here working on the building as well. A lot of progress is going to be made today. It's pretty awesome. Got those 3 sod rows moved. That skid steer makes easy work with it. I'll get some video here of the guys actually pounding in the posts with the skid steer. They have an attachment on the front of their Kubota. I think it's an SVL75 that they're using. Let's see. It must be around the side right now. But yeah, I'll get some footage of that, of them pounding the steel into the ground. They're putting the steel posts in 5 feet. So 5 feet showing, 5 feet in the ground.
Alright everybody, that's going to do it for this one. Make sure you subscribe if you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your family and friends, and we'll see you in the next one.